2020 is an important year for KUHN in grass machines. We launched this year a new machine, mower conditioner with conveyor. This machine is expected since quite a while from the market, and we are proud now to present our new FC9330RA. His name indicates that it stands for 9.3 meter working width, and the array stands for grouping device integrated in the machine. To fulfill customer needs and regulation needs, we had to redevelop our range of machines. First of all, in order to stay in line with regulation of weight and weight on the rear axle of tractor. So we based our new development on a new frame, a new lift control technology, and in order to fulfill customer needs in terms of swath width and flexibility of deposit, we developed and patented a new system in order to feed chopper or feed loader vehicle or baler with wide or narrow swaths. So let's talk about frame, lift control and capacity of the machine. On this machine, we redefine completely the kinematic of the main frame and of the arms with the lift control system integrated. In order to get more compact, we gain 15 centimeters of capacity towards the tractor, which is of course important for the tractor rear weight. Let's talk about the lift control and breakaway. As usual, our lift control system for the suspension integrates and is combined with the breakaway function. On this machine, it's the same rule as on our KUHN machines. But the solution is new and different and patented. With this new system, we have, of course, the capacity for the mover to get backwards when it hits an obstacle, but in the same time, the front of the mover is lifted in order that the disc and the skids of the cutter bar gets better over the obstacle. Let's talk about the conveyor's important function. As I said, we wanted to gain weight. So first of all, it's important to notice that the structure of the conveyor is made in aluminium in order to gain a lot of weight. Customers have different needs in terms of swath deposit width. And some people need 1.60 m, 1.80 m. Some people need wider or wish wider. So on this machine, I would say all is possible in the base machine. Here we see now how we define the swath width. It's simply made by hydraulic cylinder, which can offset the conveyor by 70 centimeters on each side of the machine. Let's talk now about two major functions of these machines, cutting and conditioning the forage. We use on this machine 3.50 meter cutter bar, OptiDisc Elite, of course, followed by a conditioner rotor, which was redesigned. This conditioner rotor is driven by a gearbox, 2 speeds, like we know on our diverse triple mower conditioner. And to make sure that 100% of the forage is transferred to the conveyors and to avoid any losses, we have, in standard equipment, a transfer plate between cutter bar and conveyor. Let's see now some other details. For example, can the conveyor be dismounted? Yes, by removing the 4 hydraulic connectors and 3 pins on each conveyor. On the side of the machine, we found, of course, the Flex Protect, which folds automatically for transport. And let's see now the front hood. We wanted to have a compact machine, but we also wanted to have a very accessible machine. When I mean accessible is when you want to go to the cutter bar, but also if you need to go to the rear of the tractor for any type of settings or just to hook and unhook the machine. And here our new FC integrates a hydraulic front shielding, which automatically by transport or for working position can slide frontwards or rearwards. Let's see now how the machine is driven. For the conveyors, we do have an integrated oil circuit with 2 pumps which are fitted on the main gearbox on the central frame of the machine. To drive and control the machine, we use load sensing and isobus. So the connection of the tractor is limited to 3 hoses: pressure, free return and load sensing. And for the electronic control, it's based on isobus. Regarding the front mover, we provide one simple hose which is here and which is connected directly to the front mover for its lifting and pressure setting. Let's have a short look what's under this cover. You will find here the toolbox for the knives, which you can carry with you and change the knives. The hydraulic block connected to the load sensing of the tractor, the isobus module, and behind it also a sensor which indicates the angle of the machine when you are in slopes and which helps to automatically change the speed of the conveyor depending on the settings which the driver has given to the system. So in summary, this FC9330RA is a new standard in terms of mover conditioner with conveyors. A new frame, a new lift control with a new safety device, which is patented, a new rotor in order to feed the conveyor. Our conveyors have a very high flexible capacity of deposit, 1.60 m, 1.80 m, up to more than 3 m width. A conveyor with a high capacity of forage transport with 1 meter large belt. Belt pressure can be set without tools, things which you know already from our merger range. The deposit of the forage is very flexible. The farmer can use it or the driver can use it with both sides in action or only one side lifted, for example, when it comes to cleaning along the borders of the field. So as you have seen, this machine is equipped with a high level of features and nice benefits for the customer, like hydraulic folding front hood with a good accessibility to the cutter bar for the rear of the tractor, LED lighting, which is a standard as well, isobus, of course, which is integrated in the machine with the connecting to the CCA A3 as well. Many other questions may certainly come in the next days. Don't hesitate to consult the frequent asked question document which is provided.